Hey guys, welcome back to Skill Software. Today I'm going to show you how you can create AI generated video using Canva AI. Now, if you haven't already, sign up to Canva and head over to Canva AI. And as you can see underneath here, there's an option to create a video clip. So enable that, and now you can see there's different settings to create your custom AI videos. You have style right here. You can choose specific style if you want. You have your aspect ratio, the duration, your framing. You have wide shot, medium shot, even close up. And last but not least is your lighting right here. All right, cool. Let's look at some examples. So we have some scenery B-roll right here, some hyper-realistic setting with a duck. All right, that's cool. How about this? Let's try an aesthetic happy birthday video. Let's click on this. So this is the prompt right here. As you can see, create a video of a cluster of glossy lavender and coral balloons. All right, once it's done, as you can see, this is the video generated. Look at that. Even the glass surface bends and displays the balloons. Look at that, so cool. Wow. Alright, now what you can do with this is that you can customize the balloon colors or even the glossy glass surface. Let me show you an example. Right, I'm gonna copy this prompt right here. Gonna paste back again. I'm going to paste the prompt here. All viewed through a clear vertical ribbed glass. Instead of vertical ribbed glass, let's try hexagon, seamless hexagon glass. Alright, let's try different balloon colors. So maybe we can try red and blue balloons. And the backdrop or the background, I want to change the color into soft blue or maybe baby blue. All right, let's give it a shot. And there you go, it's done. Now let's look at the preview. You can see there. Wow. That's interesting. There's even sound to it. You can see the hexagon glass right here. However, it looks like it's broken. Maybe there's a better prompt we can do. But we got the red balloons and blue balloons with the baby blue backdrop. That is amazing. It takes some skills to accurately prompt for a video, so let's look at another example, shall we? How about this one? An animation video. What I like about this is that you can create short animation videos and then you can upload it on YouTube, creating a movie, a short film. But again, it always takes some skills to create such prompt. Now, not to worry, I can show you how you can use AI to prompt for you. While this is generating, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, I'm going to bring out my notepad right here. All right, so the first step is inspiration, right? You need inspiration on what type of video that you want to generate, and you need a reference. So if you have a reference image, that is good. You need some imagery. Number two is prompt. So you want to prompt a specific type of video that you want. And what I mean by this is like the movement, your characters moving, walking. And let's say if you want a specific camera angle, you can experiment and play with it. And do not forget like specific colors or characteristics. Last but not least is trial and error. So you want to continue to generate the video until you get the right one. You can play with camera angles like I said, and even so the lighting. Alright, cool. A very easy, simple 3-step process to generate an AI video. Alright, so let's see. Okay, the video is done. Shall we take a look? Look at that. There's even sound effect and she smiles at the end. That is so cool. Let's take a look one more time. I really like this so much. Alright, so let me show you a quick tutorial on how you can do this. So the first one is inspiration and reference. So we're gonna head over to the internet to search for some inspiration and references. As you can see, I'm on Pinterest right now. There is a picture right here. Look at that. This beautiful art right here of a dragon, Pokemon dragon, Charizard. You can choose one. Let's see. I'm gonna choose... There's a Minecraft version of this. That is so cool. I'm just gonna use this one. Yep, how about that? Okay. Now, I want you to upload your image reference and inspiration right here. Okay, so it's uploaded right here. So the second step is prompt, right? To create a specific prompt. Now, if you don't know any movement or camera angle, you can just ask AI to generate a random one for you. So let's say, generate me a text to video prompt based on the image reference. Generate a cool prompt video of a dragon blowing flames. Alright, let's see. Generate me a text to video prompt based on the image reference and generate a cool prompt video of a dragon blowing flames. Alright, we're gonna use this. Now hit enter. Alright, there you go. A powerful stylized dragon with sharp features and glowing eyes soars through a vibrant teal sky. The dragon opens its mouth wide and unleashes a massive stream of bright, fiery flames illuminating the scene with dynamic orange. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna use this. Now go back to Canva, create a video clip right here, paste your script, paste your prompt right here, and hit enter. Alright. No, not yet. Alright guys, so the video has been generated and I've downloaded it. Look at that, okay? So let's look at the preview. Look at that, how wonderful that is. And there you go guys, that is how you can generate AI generated videos using Canva AI.